Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Asim. Let's straight away dive into the updates. Actually, today I thought of recording the live session, what's happening in the market, but I booked profit for 15,100 put. It reached my target, and this I did a blunder. I couldn't book a profit. I exited the position by mistakenly. So in order right now, I don't have any order as of now. I'm just waiting for next 75 minutes candle so that I can take a trade in. So let's see what's gonna happen. Yep, that's what it is. So gold June future contract, it shows minus 1,530. so let's go there and see what's happening on the chart. Yep, there was a gap down opening. The market is falling. I don't know what's happening right now. I really don't have an idea when it will reach my target, or would I even able to reach my target or the stop loss. The market is very sideways. So mostly I believe by today or by tomorrow, tomorrow the market is off if I'm not wrong. So let's see, the market is off tomorrow. I might hit my stop loss tomorrow, or it might be a profitable trade. I have no idea whatsoever. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame, then you get an idea what is the market trying to do. Let's see. Okay, there was okay. So basically the market is completely sideways right now. See this range and this range. If the market has to move above, it has to break this. If the market has to fall below, then it has to break this range. Okay, once this zone is broken, the market will fall drastically. If this range is broken, the market will go up drastically. But using a Smith Patel strategy, you are not supposed to look at all this stuff. You are just supposed to wait and watch for your target or stop loss to be hit. So far this is update, and I believe in next I think I should have placed an order right now. I didn't, I guess. Let's see. I think I might place an order after this candle is formed. Once this candle is formed, I'll have an idea what should be my next move. Okay, the candle is formed. So yeah, I think I'll show you the calculation, how I do the calculation. That might help you a lot. So let's go back here, go to the 15 minutes time frame. Sorry, it's 75 minutes. It's a spot bank nifty. So what is a high over here? The high, it was 15,293. 15,293 point. It says 15,293.85. Okay, 15,293.85. 15,293.85. Perfect. And the low it made, the low. The low it made 15,171.45. Okay, the low remains the same. So let's see what is the high over here. So basically we'll get an idea looking at this Excel sheet. So you see there are different steps over here. So it says what, 15,300, yes, 15,300, 15,200, yes. So let's go to 15,300 call chart. It says 75 minutes candle. We'll see what's the high. It says 77.55 is on a high. It said 77.55 is on a high, and the low remains the same, 40.40. Let's go to the put, 15,100 put. Okay, it's 15,200, is it? Let me see. Yes, it's 15,200. Let me delete this and let me add, that's Control I for Sher Khan. Let me add 15,100 put option. Okay, no, sorry, 15,200. I got this wrong. Okay, 15,200. Yep, added. Now let's go to 15,200. Okay, and 15,200, let me read this. Yeah, you see it's 15,200 put. See what the high, it would be 100.95. 100.95. I repeat, the high is 100.95, and the low for the day was 33.85. 33.85. So we'll come down. The entire calculation done. This is the formula. Yep, I'm going to copy this entire thing. I'm going to set it over here, and I'm going to copy stop loss, target, and paste it over here so that you get an idea what is the profit I can earn. Nifty, if you ask me. Yeah, so just give me a second. Yep, in Nifty, if puts the put is triggered at 15,200, if put is triggered, the entry price will be 30.47 and the target will be 12.19. okay, and the stop loss will be 42.65. okay, so yeah, and the loss I would take is 193 if it hits my stop loss, or the profit will be 1,371. So okay, let's go to the graph and we'll see what next. We'll just go for the terminal first, and I think I need to place an order. I'll place an order based on this so you'll get an idea. I'm waiting. I believe it's 15,300, right? Yeah, I have 15,300 and 15,200. Okay, so let's sell. Okay, I think the margin has increased a lot now. It just shows 1,58,000. So let's see. I'm gonna place the order right in front of you. 47, 45. Okay, when the market reaches, I'll tell you. Look at this. The low it made today is 35.2. If it's able to come down to 30.45, then my sell order will be triggered. And what? Let's see. And if the market goes above 111.05, my buy order will be triggered. Let me set it an intraday. Okay, and let's see, sell order for call options, 15,300. When it reaches 36 rupees, oh my god, it reaches 36 rupees. Okay, when it reaches 36 rupees, my call sell order will be triggered. Let me set it. Yep, it's already done, and let's place in a buy order. When it reaches 85 or tries to pass 85.30, then my buy order is triggered. So I believe we have seen how to place the order for weekly expiry. Sorry, it's a day, not a day, weekly expiry. This was for the daily trading, intraday for option trading. Yep, that's what I did. If any case any of my entry gets triggered, I'll definitely make a video on that too as a continuation. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, this is a post-market video. I believe you have seen the first half of the video where I made a profit of 4,500 or 5,000 using a Smith Patel bank strategy, option strategy. But here I made a loss of I incurred loss of nearly 4,800 rupees. It is all blunder. I tell you what happened. Before I tell you what happened over here, let's go to the gold M June future contract. So if we go to the chart, the market is still sideways. It doesn't show any hope anymore, because by this 28th May I need to square off this position, because this contract will be expired on 28th. Actually it expires on June 4th, but the system will square off your position automatically. So that's what I was saying. This gold is trading between two zones, so the market is in the sideways as to either break this or break the lower zone. So I don't see that happening very soon. Let's wait for the 2 more days, and I hope I either hit my stop loss or I make profit. Then apart from that, if you see the option trading today, I believe option trading has always been profitable. Doesn't matter if there was a drawdown, it tends to give you more profit than the drawdown. I tell you what happened in option trading. Nifty made 1500, sorry, 15,100 put, the one which I sold, gave me instant profit as the market opened, because the market gapped up because of that. And Nifty 3rd June contract, 14,900 put, even I sold this too by mistake. I do a lot of mistakes, I do agree, I do a lot of mistakes. This is a phase where I do a lot of mistakes. So I made up my mind, by next month, not by next month, when the next month should be the perfect trading month, I'll make sure that I won't do all the selling mistakes that I have done at the present month. Basically, I made 4,000 to 5,000 rupees as a profit in option trading, and I end up losing everything, plus 300-400 bucks. I gave it back to market. It is all blunder. So let's go to the Bank Nifty chart. I'll tell you what happened today. Before I go to Bank Nifty chart, I'll show you the order. Things got messed up all of a sudden. I believe you have experienced this. I couldn't record this because it was all messed up situation. I placed order at 34,622, and it was an overnight order, but I end up placing an intraday stop loss. So the market reversed. I short the market, but the market reversed. Instead of considering this as a stop loss, I got into a long position, and I had to exit the market in a panic mode, where I made a loss of 4,500. Then I saw the one at 34,724, which was supposed to be a stop loss, acted as a long position. So I was in a long position. I panicked and I sold the position, squared off the position. I was in 1,500 rupees profit, but I don't know what was happening. But for some reason, I got into one more trade. I short the market again. It was all messed up situation. It happened the fraction of minutes. Not fraction of minutes. Yeah, fraction of minutes. I was like panic situation all of a sudden. I couldn't concentrate. I was like, what's happening there? Oh my god, that was crazy situation. I couldn't handle the situation. I was like, okay, something is really wrong. The market is just flying. I tell you what happened. Then I incurred losses. So if we go to the chart, I'll show you the chart exactly what happened. Let's go to the 2-minute time frame. So you tend to overestimate the market. Yep, I was expecting there will be a fall after the sideways market. I was expecting a really good fall. Let me show you. Initially, I was waiting for the right time to short the market. Not every stop loss was under my risk reward ratio. So I was looking for the appropriate stop loss that I'm satisfied with, but I couldn't find any. But over here I found one. So I was looking to short the market at this position, and the market had really good downwards sentiment. So I was looking for the breakout over here. I wasn't satisfied with the volume, so I was waiting for the next candle. So next candle was very big. Then I was like, okay, I thought I'll wait for some time. Let's see how it turns out to be. Then I was waiting. Then I thought, okay, this is the right time to short the market. Instantly the market fell down. It came down so fast. When I placed the order, I got an entry somewhere here. Okay, and this was supposed to be my stop loss. Ended up being this as my stop loss. So I trailed my stop loss till here. So I was expecting the market to fall further. A small dip. If I was able to capture 100 points, I would have booked the profit, but I couldn't. all of a sudden market turned against me, and instead of hitting my stop loss, it triggered a buy signal, and I was in the long position. I panicked a lot over here. Then I had to close my previous position and cut losses. So it was a all messy situation. So I have decided I need to be calm. I have noted down all the mistakes I've done today. This is all. See, whenever you lose money in stock market, it's basically a learning curve for you. You always learn from your mistakes. So I have made up my mind. I have made up few rules. So let's see how it turns out to be in the next trade. So next trade, if I find a really good opportunity, only then. So for the people who want to short the market, who have a lot of confidence, or they feel ready to risk, then whenever you see a gap up, and once there is a gap up, when the market gaps up, the market has a tendency of people start booking profit. So the market has a tendency of falling, and once the market start to have a really good fall, and people will start shorting the market, the sellers will come in. So the same thing happened over here. I believe, where was it? Okay, here, see, there was a gap up, the market went out, and people started booking profit. The market started falling, and sellers came in, started pushing the market down, and people who are still holding to this position, once the market went up, they are like, okay, the market is falling down, the prices are dropping down now and then. So they will be like, okay, let's book the profit, whatever it is, it's totally fine. So that's what usually happens in the market. When the market starts falling in the initial phase, it falls a lot, then it has to take the support, and only then the buyer comes into the picture. The buyer has to start buying. Only then the market will go up, until unless the seller will dominate. Till then you have an opportunity to earn. So let's see, I'll definitely work on the strategy more. I'll try to fix all these issues, and make sure by the next month, when I trade, I do not do the same mistake. Not next month, by the next trading session. So I'll try my best to avoid all these mistakes. Apart from that, let's go back to the option trading. I'll be placing order once again, but I'm pretty sure this option trading strategy works really beautiful. I didn't maintain the journal for the today's trade, so it's totally fine. Let's see, I need to update it. So let's go back to okay. Okay, if you ask me, okay, see over here, these are the loss incurred, all the blunders that I have done. But when you observe here, you can see the option trading is the one which gave you consistently profit throughout. Okay, you just ignore this mistake, the one which I have written, the places where I have written mistake, this are the blunder that I have done. That's how I ended up losing money. This is a mistake, this is a mistake, and this was a mistake. Yep. The mistake you see here, if I what happened here, let me think. Okay, I was supposed to book profit of 3,500 or 4,000 something, and this was 5,000 something. Oh no, yeah, it's written over here. So I was supposed to book the profit of 5,000, and just ended up booking the profit of 2,692 because I panicked. It was the initial stage of option trading. And same here, I was supposed to book 4,400 profit. I panicked, then I couldn't continue the trade, so I booked the profit. So I have learned a few things from the option trading, but trust me, option trading is really beautiful. See the consistency in the option trading, you earn in option trading, like really you earn. I just used a single lot throughout. Can you believe that? I just used a single lot, and that you're able to earn this much. That itself says the option trading works really beautiful. And apart from that, see, I didn't even update my today's trade, not today's two trades. That's one over here profit, and these are the previous trade profits, and there was one over here in intraday profit. So I had to enter that feed also, and yep, yesterday there was a loss in option trading, but it's fine. Whenever the option trading gives you a loss, it always tends to give you more profit. So I believe option trading by Asmita Patel is really wonderful. So I I read across the comment. One of our subscriber requested for the Excel sheet and the option trading strategy. They asked me to explain how the option trading strategy works. So definitely I'm going to make a separate video on that. I'll be explaining you how the option strategy works. I'll be explaining you the intraday option strategy, and the weekly expiry and the monthly expiry. Apart from that, I'll also you know give you this Excel so that you can download this Excel. Then you will have an idea how to, you'll have the formula, all the formulas required, so you can trade. You just need to punch in the numbers. I'll show you how to do it. Yeah, option trading definitely works like wonder. Yep, that's all for today. I think you guys enjoyed. Let's see how things turn out next month, not tomorrow, not next month, sorry, tomorrow. So apart from that, yeah, still it shows 12,000. I believe there was a loss yesterday of 7,000 rupees, which brings back to 18,000 rupees. I'm not pretty sure I will be able to cover that 18,000 rupees loss this month, but yep, let's see how things turns out to be. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe and like this channel. That will definitely give me a boost and some motivation. Thank you so much, and you guys stay safe. Bye bye.